Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're an Amazon seller, having high-quality product images is crucial for driving sales and catching customer attention. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to update images of a listing in Amazon Seller Central. Let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. This will bring you to a page with all your product listings. Next, find the product listing you want to update. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by entering the product name, SKU or ASIN. Once you've found the product, click on the Edit button next to it. This will take you to the product details page, where you can make changes to various aspects of your listing. Next, click on the Images tab located at the top of the product details page. Here you'll see all the current images for your product. To remove an existing uploaded image, simply click on the dustbin icon below to the image you want to delete. So I'll delete all the existing ones first. Then, I'll click on Upload Multiple Images to upload all the new images together in one go. If you're only updating one or two images, just remove those specific images. Then, click on the Upload button in the image slot you want to change and select the new image from your computer. Next, you can easily swap two images by simply dragging and dropping them or by clicking on the left or right arrow. I've uploaded these images just for video demonstration purposes. Once you've uploaded the new images, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save, and Finish Your Updated Images will be submitted for review and will go live once approved by Amazon. Make sure your new images meet Amazon's image guidelines. If your images aren't updating with this method, check out our other method for uploading images by clicking on the I button. And that's it. Now you know how to update your product images on Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon.